Where is the check-in counter? Can I see your passport, please? How much luggage can I carry? What gate is my flight boarding from? Is the flight on time or delayed? Can I have a window seat, please? How long is the flight? Where can I find a taxi or shuttle service? I have a reservation under Amit Singh. Can I check in early, please? What time is breakfast served? Can I get an extra towel, pillow, please? Is Wi-Fi included? Could you call me a taxi, please? What time is checkout? Is there a nearby restaurant you recommend? How far is it from here? How much is the fare to the airport? Please take me to this address. Can you drop me near the bus station? Is it within walking distance? Which direction should I go? Do I need a ticket in advance? How long will it take to get there? A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? I'm vegetarian. What do you recommend? Could I have some water, please? The food was delicious, thank you. Can I get the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Can I take this to go? How much does this cost? How long will it take to get there? Can I get a discount? Do you accept credit cards? Can I try it on? I'm just looking, thank you. Do you have this in another size or color? Where is the fitting room? What are the must-see places here? What time does it open, close? Is photography allowed? Are there guided tours available? Where can I buy tickets? How do I get to the museum from here? Can I have a receipt, please? It's such a beautiful view. Can you take a picture of me, please?